Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to run HTML file on Visual Studio Code. So firstly open Visual Studio Code. If you want to install this Visual Studio Code, so check description video. Now click on new file, and if you not see this screen, so file and click on new file. Now type your code. I have already this HTML code. So copy and paste here or type your code. Now click on file and save as. Give any name and make HTML. So compulsory type this HTML as extension, then click on save. Now to run this file, click here, extension. Now type browser. So click on open in browser and install. Now once this extension is successfully installed, minimize it and open this file. So like this guys, you can run HTML code in Visual Studio. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.